Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat stories if it is not loading. Then first of all, open your mobile phone and open Snapchat. As you can see, if I view my friend's stories, then the stories are all loading. But if it is not loading for you, then you should check if your Wi-Fi is on the stable connection or not, like mine. You should also turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again. And the next step is go to your settings, go to your apps or your applications and search Snapchat on the search bar. After that, click on the Snapchat profile, click on storage and click on clear data and clear all the cache from your Snapchat. And if it's still not loading, then you should uninstall your Snapchat and reinstall back again. You should also check if your Snapchat is on the latest update or not by going to your App Store or your Play Store and search Snapchat. As you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest update. So if it isn't updated, then you should update your Snapchat. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.